Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and putting together this Yitahome set. We're going to set it up in this area. We're going to make this little portion of our patio look nice. For a couple chairs and a table that, you know, we can come out and have some coffee and just enjoy the afternoon, morning, whatever it is. People from Yitahome sent it to us for review. So that's what we want to do. We want to go ahead and check it out and have you guys take a look at how to put it together and also form your own opinion as to how you like it. So here we go. I got my tools here. It tells me not to use anything sharp to cut it. So I'm going to just cut with something, just the tip of my screwdriver. This build is going to be so easy. All right, so we're flipping it upside down just the way the image page 3 shows. And let's find our legs. I'm gonna just open all of them up. All right, so again, I'm doing the top, just getting out of the way and then just pull it out. All right, so here we go. We're ready on this end, and we're going to go ahead and get started with B's and C's. So B's are going to be the front legs. All right, and they're going to have to be pointing out. So it seems like all the screws are identical. We have an I and a J, so we're just going to lay them here. I's and J's. So let's start with the first B. As we said, B's are the front ones. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to put a washer and a screw. Like every time I build something up, first thing I do is I just put the screws. I never tighten them up hard. I just put them in, and then after all the parts that are related are in place, then I feel confident about tightening it up, because otherwise you just make yourself the job a little harder. Let's just turn it around. And there you have it. You see? Pretty leveled up, but if I want to, I just pull this one out just a tad. And I'll just fiddle. There you go, that's pretty solid. How about that? And we're gonna get the cushion for it ready. There you go. 1, 2. It's actually a rather simple setup. Just takes the time of putting it together. Simple as that. It's nothing more. There you go. Seat number 1 is ready. We'll come back with the rest of it. So we got our 2 chairs put together. This being rather simple. Look at this, 1 and 2. It's just getting the legs in. I did have to do a minor adjustment here just to get it to be solid. There you go, that's nice. I think they have thought out this pretty well. Cushions were nice. I guess the big test is going to be the test of time, but so far so good. We're going to put together the table, which is going to be just as simple. Hey, as I'm finishing this, I mean, it's a really, really easy. Really easy to put together. This one again, it's stable, but hey, I guess you could use just a little bit to get it all leveled up so it doesn't get wobbly. So last piece is just putting together our glass. And just so you know, I have not been looking at the manual that much. I mean, at the instructions, because it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm sure if you decide to buy one of these, and you know, the good thing is that this goes in a balcony, in a patio, in a small area of the house that, you know, that you might think, hey, you know, I just need put a little more, a little bit of love to this area. Well, there we go. Why not this one? This one looks really nice. Let's put it away. And we're gonna spruce it up a little bit in just a second. But hey, what do you think? Not bad. And you know, I got this area, I got my patio, and this is gonna be a nice area where I can have a coffee, bring my laptop, put that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna love bringing my laptop and working from here. I highly recommend it. I'm liking it. It's pretty stable too. I mean, like once I set up the legs the way, oh, that one I didn't finish up. See, that's a little rocking there, but hey, just do it. This one is pretty solid. Again, I'm gonna love this one because the height, I love the height. So I can actually put my laptop. Let me bring my laptop just for the kick of it. So how about this? Boom, I'm on my laptop, I'm already there, and I love the height. Whether it's gonna be coffee, I'm gonna have my coffee or so. Of course, I'm gonna share it with someone. We're gonna have a chat, have our coffee. I could even have a business meeting here for all you know. Just meet with someone. It's private from the house, you know, it's a patio. We can have a conversation, we can talk about business ideas or so. And I like it a lot, so I'll come back with some pictures and images of what this place looks at the end. Thank you.